Hey everyone, so I just gotten back from a day at uni and I thought I would sit down and make a video. I haven't made one in quite a while, but I've thrifted heaps of amazing things this year and I wanted to show a few of my favorite pieces that I like to wear all the time and I try to incorporate into a lot of my outfits. I've only got a few things to show, but I thought I'd make this quick little video because I haven't made a video in ages and I want to get back into it. Obviously I say that every single time I make a video, but I'm hoping to upload some more content because there are so many awesome things happening in my life at the moment, so I thought what better time to get back into it than now. I do apologize about the awful lighting. It's like sort of raining, sort of cloudy, sort of overcast, sort of sunny. I'm really confused at the weather at the moment, but anyway, you'll have to bear with me with this lighting. So the first item I picked up, which is this big blue button up. It's really nice. It's a 2XL, so it's quite big on me, but I really like the oversized vibes and the pattern's really nice. I like to pair it with like maybe a pair of black pants and some docks. So I think I got this one for $10, so obviously it was a little bit on the more expensive side, I guess. Usually the thrift shops near my house back in my hometown are like $2 to $3 items, but this was $10, but it was worth it because it's so comfortable and I can also layer it, like put a t-shirt on and then wear this over top. But yeah, so that was the first item. The second item is yet another button up. It's got a really nice pattern on it. It's quite textured actually. It's got these little bits of thread poking off it, I think. It is also a 2XL, so it's quite large, but you can probably tell now that I buy a lot of oversized things because that is just what I love to wear. So I wear this one with maybe some beige pants or maybe some jeans. Actually, yeah, I wore this with a pair of jeans and my Air Forces and it looked kind of good, kind of bad, I don't know. But yeah, this one was, I think, maybe $5, I think it was when I bought it, but yeah, this is one of my other ones. The final thing in the category of like tops was this one. I got this. I was going to take it off for the video, but then I was like, no, I want to keep it on. I want to wear this one for the video and not wear something else boring. It's all these wolves in front of some trees, and you can see there's even a wolf in the moon. But I thought that one was really cool, and also green is my favorite color. If you can see in the background here, my bedspread is also green, so I had to get this one because it's green and I just absolutely love the color green, and I think the pattern's so awesome. And I pair this one usually with a pair of jeans and my Air Forces or some docks and some like black pants. But yeah, now I was going to show a pair of light, like off-white colored pants that I got, but unfortunately they ripped in half the last time I was wearing them, so I can't show them. But I will show you another pair of pants that I got, which are these beige sort of suit pants sort of style pants. I usually, as you can see, roll up the bottom of them. But yeah, they're a size, it does not say what size they are, but I absolutely love this one. I actually pair it with this usually, and I tuck it in, put a belt on, put some docks and some white socks on. But yeah, so I think these are really comfortable. They're so nice to wear and they're so comfy. I just think they complement this outfit really well, and I think they complement this color really well as well. I don't know anything about fashion, so I don't know if that's a thing, but I think they look really nice. The final thing I got is a pair of brown corduroy pants. I think they're so awesome. I've never owned a pair of corduroy pants before. I don't know if I'm saying it right. Corduroy, whatever it is. I love them so much. They're really awesome. I also roll up the bottom of these ones, but they're not rolled up at the moment. I actually paired them with this. I think they go really nice together, and I put a pair of docks on with them, but these ones are a little bit loose around the waist, so I have to wear a belt, or I like roll them down a few times. They look a better a bit shorter, so I either roll up the sleeves, they are pants jasper. I usually roll up the bottom of the pants, or I just roll them up here a few times so that they sit higher. I've bought so many other things at thrift shops over this year, but I don't have time to show you all of them because that would be my entire wardrobe pretty much. But I thought I would just show you a few of my favorite pieces that I've loved wearing over the last few months. I'm going to start posting some covers on my YouTube channel as well. I've got plenty of songs already filmed that I'm going to post over the next few weeks, and if you have any suggestions of what songs I should sing, let me know down below. I also want to film maybe a day in the life at my uni, or just a day in my life in the new apartment, because yeah, if you couldn't tell, my setup is a little bit different to my last videos, even though they're all privated now because I went through yet another mental breakdown where I deleted all my videos. But anyway, we're not going to talk about that. I'm in a new apartment and I'm going to do an apartment tour soon because I've just moved in here about 2 weeks ago, so I'm still setting everything up. But once everything is nice and set up and looks nice, I'm going to do an apartment tour so that you can all see what my new apartment looks like. If you have any suggestions of videos that you'd like to see, let me know down below. below because I'm always open to suggestions because I can never think of good ideas. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, leave a comment below on what you liked, what you didn't like. Don't leave a comment, I don't really mind. If you have never seen me before, welcome, and you should subscribe to my channel so you see more videos. I really hope you enjoyed this video and I hope you have a great rest of your week. I'll see you next time and make a video.